Hi everyone, here we've got WIKO View 3 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So first of all, how to add it and then how to remove it. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the account section. As you can see here, we've got also the Google section, so you can do it using this Google section. I mean, you can add the Google account here and remove it, but I personally prefer to do it using accounts, so let me tap on it, and here we have to add account just by tapping on this option. Right now we have to choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required in this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and then you will receive all the info you want to. Just tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to. All you have to do is simply enter the account section, tap on the account you'd like to remove, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. And as you can see, it actually immediately disappears. So actually, that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your WIKO View 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.